When we left off of the notes, we were on number 3. Taking a look at the format of number 3, notice that y squared has a 1/2 accompanied with it. So what you want to do is move the 1/2 so that y squared is by itself, just like the format of our notes. Multiply both sides by 2, so you get 2x equals y squared. Now that it matches our formula, you can see that the 4p is equal to this 2 over here. So you can go ahead and say 4p equals 2. Solving for p, you get p equals 1/2. Notice that y squared is a variable that's being squared. So this is a horizontal parabola. Go ahead and now take your graph paper, set it underneath, and scale your graph so that you can fit the 1/2. I recommend that you scale this the same way that we scaled number 2. So count 4 boxes to be 1, and then 2. Same thing, 1, 2, -1, -2. And then lastly, -1, -2. Okay. Your parabola will start at the origin, just like numbers 1 and 2. 1/2 tells me that horizontally, I move positive 1/2 to the right to create focus at 1/2, 0. I move negative 1/2 to the left to draw my directrix. So the directrix is at x equals -1/2. Lastly, I will use the fact that p equals 1/2. Double the length of 1/2 will equal to 1. From the focus, I go up 1 unit and then go down 1 unit to complete my parabola going sideways. This is my horizontal parabola. Okay. All right, moving on to number 4 here. Same thing is happening. You have x squared with something else here. So you want to multiply both sides by a -3, giving you -3y equals x squared. So now this 4p equals -3. So p is equal to -3 over 4. The x squared tells me that this is a vertical parabola. So I'm going to draw this vertically. Now because p is equal to 3/4, my recommendation would be to mark your x and y axis every 4 box as 1. So here's 1, 2, just like the previous problem, but for a very different reason. 2, 1, 2, 1, and -2. All right, your parabola is still going to start at the origin, 0, 0. And because this is a vertical parabola, it says to go down 3/4 for your focus. So here at -3/4, so 0, -3/4 is my focus. Go up 3/4, and there is your directrix. All right, so directrix. Sorry, it's a little crooked. I have to do this with one hand. So my directrix is y equals 3/4. And then same idea, you want to double the amount. So look at it either in numerically, doubling the 3/4, you get 3/2, so that's 1.5. Or looking at my picture, I went 3 boxes down to get my focus. So you want to go 6 boxes to the left and 6 boxes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My writing is in the way, but that should not matter because that should still, sorry again, curve out to my other dot. Okay, there are your 2 parabolas, one vertical and one horizontal. Okay.